This is GTA 4 with Los Santos Weather. Today I'll show you how to install this weather mod easily. Check my video description for this mod link. Scroll down and select download option. Select start download option. After this download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Right click on the game on the desktop and select open file location. Before doing this mod, back up your GTA 4 game folder. Just copy and paste it in same location. Rename it as backup. Once you're done, open the GTA 4 folder. Open this mod folder. Open the basic files. Drag and drop all these files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination. And then go back. Open this lens. Drag and drop this FX file. Replace the file in the destination. Now you can launch the game. The mod is installed successful. I will show you before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.